The fine 18 volt brushless half-inch impact wrench is a high torque driver with a 6-stage torque setting for metric screws and bolt connections up to M18. The high torque metal gear delivers 290 Newton meters for tightening applications and 10% higher reverse torque for loosening stubborn connections. The soft start motor with overload protection has 30% more efficiency, and variable torque settings prevent screw heads from being torn off, and offers flexibility to adapt the tool to different applications.